Screen recording tools today come with an ocean of tasks. You need to download, install, give permissions manually, and the list goes on. Moreover, with everyone using different tools, it is difficult to keep track of where your company data is flowing out, increasing your organization's security and data theft risk. Screenjar is here to transform it all for you. Start recording in a single click directly from your Jira issue, without the hassle of installations, extensions, or permissions. And no need to manage team member permissions separately. Only your Jira admin needs to install the Screenjar app from the Atlassian Marketplace, and that enables all Jira users to record screens and attach them to a Jira issue. Even your Jira Service Management customers can record their screens and upload the videos right from the customer portal. Screenjar ensures maximum data security as all your screen recordings are attached to Jira issues as MP4 files. Increase your efficiency. Optimize your processes. And protect your organization in one click. Start your free trial now.